A bunting is a collection of flags that are usually used for festive decorations, and many times, letters are printed on each flag to spell out a name or a phrase. A bunting banner takes less effort to hang than traditional banners, which is why they're usually used for more temporary occasions, like parties. And you can easily customize a bunting banner on Microsoft Word based on what you need. Open a new document and set up your document's page size found in the Layout tab, and then select Size. You can choose which size you need, but here we'll make it to a letter paper size to form a large bunting banner. Next is to choose a shape by navigating into the Insert tab. Click on Shape, and under the section in the drop-down list called Flowchart, you can select the shape you wish. And once you've drawn your shape, you can change its size, color of the fill, outline, and even add the picture in the shape format. Then add in a letter using Word Art found in the Insert tab, and then choose Word Art. The Enter Word Art text box will appear, and then type in your letter, and choose your font, font size, and even the font color of the word art. For you to save time, you can copy this banner by right-clicking, and then select Copy. Or you can press Ctrl-C on your keyboard, and then paste it to the next page, or press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Then change the letters by double-clicking the object, and then type in the next letter. And with that, you can print this bunting banner and hang it as a festive decoration. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.